If y'all want me to keep doing this, hit the link in the description. We about to get into this. We about to get into this Illuminati, man. This is deep, you guys. I've never explained this. That's my daddy saying, "Where you going, Ali?" Well, that's me imitating my dad. Say, "Where you going, Ali?" That's my middle name. That means come here fast, Ali. Fast, let's go. And Euceptus Novus Ordo Seclorum. That's on the back of the dollar bill. It means New World Order. So basically, this song I'm describing the Antichrist or the anti-Messiah or like an evil entity that's coming to take over the world.
High treason, his eyes bleeding, his mind fleeting, protected by the branch in his right claw, bleeding.
So when you look on the back of the dollar bill, there's an eagle, and the eagle is holding a branch in his hand. Or is that on the front of the dollar bill? Whatever. So I'm breaking down the symbolism that's on the American dollar bill, and I'm breaking it down in the form of like the Antichrist.
Eating up the souls of the youth, beautifully built the bird. He said we praise Azazel and annually meet at Bilderberg.
Azazel is another name for Satan. So he's basically I'm describing this secret society of people that worship Satan.
And I can feel his words piercing through my head. I couldn't see his flesh.
And he said we annually meet at Bilderberg. Bilderberg. So there's this conspiracy theory. I'm not gonna say it's true or if it's not, but basically they say that the world people meet at these secret places and they control the world, or they make decisions that impact the whole world.
Body was made of lead, wed to his mother Isis. His brother was Horus. The stench from David Lynch impregnated her forest.
So we're talking about Egyptian mythology, because a lot of the things that are used in American, like when you look at the Washington Monument, when you look at the pyramid that's on the back of the dollar bill, all these things are, ancient Egyptian. And so basically I'm making that reference so you understand that this is where this comes from.
His brother was Horus, the stench from David Lynch.
So Isis and Horus, these are Egyptian mythology.
Impregnated her forest.
The stench from David Lynch impregnated her forest. So David Lynch is one of my favorite directors, and he makes kind of like these really weird movies. Matthew, appreciate the love, Matthew. So he makes these movies. They have a lot of like these like subliminal imagery.
The Fresh Prince's theme song ringed on.
The Fresh Prince. There's an episode. So NBC has a. I'm giving y'all too much information.
His knees locked and took the shape of a peacock.
So the old symbol of NBC used to be a peacock, and if you look up ancient mythology, the peacock has this symbolism. Also the phoenix. Some people say that these things are associated with pagan worship and Lucifer worshiping. So I'm just putting this all in the imagery as this person that's coming to conquer the world.
MC's flocked to his presence to kiss his feathers. Then he left him for dead like the Russian and called.
MC's flocked to his presence to kiss his feathers. Then he left them for dead like the Russian and called weathers. Like, so MC's rush to worship this fame, this thing that they worship because they want to worship this because this can give them power. But then he just left them for dead like the Russian and Carl Weathers. So I'm talking about the Rocky movie, Rocky IV, where the big Russian killed Carl Weathers, the black dude, Apollo Creed, and left them for dead.
In all fairness, that's the squareness they rely on. The masses still trapped inside the cyclone. They spinning out. They screaming out. To the masses, taking lashes from their masters. They yelling out.
Woo. And what's crazy is I had this verse before I put this out, I had this verse for like 2 years at least, maybe, before I recorded it. And the guy who I got the beat from, he had already given the beat to somebody else. And I was like, bro, I got to do this. I already recorded to it. He's like, what's already been out? I was like, I don't care. As long as the dude is cool with it, I want to put it out anyway. So I'm glad I did. Yeah, make sure you guys hit the Cash App in the description. Hit the link in the description. Show some love. We're breaking down the lyrics to Illuminati. This shit is getting deep, y'all. If y'all want me to keep going, hit the link in the description.
They screaming out, blood sacrifice, welcome to the afterlife. Niggas walking dead as they beg to come back to life. Forbidden scriptures and abandoned laws. They said Pike is the likeness of modern Santa Claus.
Ooh. So Albert Pike is a Freemason, a high-ranking Freemason, and a ex-Confederate general, if I'm not mistaken. Look him up. And he looks a lot like Santa Claus.
Scottish rite from a godless white satanic claws. Symbolic flights and demonic bites for mechanic jaws. Romantic laws, symbolic flights and demonic bites for mechanic jaws. Romantic bras put an emphasis on the second month. And Constantine used religion to spread the devil's hunch.
So Constantine used religion to spread the devil's hunch. So Constantine was a pagan emperor who basically, when Christianity was taking over Europe, so he wanted to, but a lot of people were pagan too. So he had to basically mix pagan beliefs with Christianity in order for the people to accept it. So he's like, okay. So he basically kind of like mixed paganism and Christianity together. So that's why you have a lot of Christian traditions that are very similar to pagan traditions, like, you know, just like the holidays and Christmas trees and a lot of the imagery and lingos, because they mixed it with pagan. It has nothing to do with Jesus. They just mixed it together to make it more susceptible, make it more palatable for people.
So you ain't gotta step foot inside of the ghetto once to see what they've been plotting is deeper than we can ever clutch. Whatever lust you desire, they find a sin lodged. They won't be happy until we acknowledge them, God. These are the hymns of a fallen jinn, the memoirs of Nimrod, tracking devices inside your SIM card.
So Nimrod was a pagan god that people worshipped. So I'm basically saying these are the memoirs of Nimrod. I thought that was just a dope ass way to rhyme Nimrod. These are the memoirs of Nimrod. So basically, like, all these are all like pagan gods. And basically I'm saying I'm giving you information and all this shit. So if you understand what Nimrod is, you understand some of this imagery, then maybe you'll understand some of the things that you're seeing. Like, is this really Christianity or is this something else?
The all-seeing iPhone, they used to spy on.
The all-seeing iPhone. On the back of the dollar bill, there's an eye. We use an iPhone. The all-seeing iPhone. Because, you know, your iPhone is watching you at all times. And people are like, oh, Locksmith, you got an iPhone. I'm like, fuck it. I don't give a fuck. I mean, I'm not doing nothing illegal. So, you know what I'm saying?
The masses of the people consumed inside of this cyclone. If my poems can challenge what you rely on, then find another bed to go and lie on. They screaming out.
So basically, if my poems are too defiant for you to lie on, hold on.
If my poems can challenge what you rely on.
If my poems can challenge what you rely on, then find another bed to go and lie on. They screaming out.
Find another bed to go and lie on.
That means if you can't take this, then I'm sorry. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just giving you game.
Screaming out. I hear them yelling. To the masses, taking lashes from their masters. They screaming out.
So yeah, man, I just wanted to break that down for you guys. If that was fire, if you guys feeling that song, leave a fire emoji if you fucking with that. You know what I'm saying? If you guys feeling that. Exactly. Somebody said the Nicene Council. Exactly. If you guys feeling that, leave a fire emoji. If we done for the night, let me go. I'm gonna get out of here. But if you guys want me to keep going, if you got another song, you guys want to pick one more song, let me know. Leave a If you guys want me to do another song, let me know what song you guys want me to do. Hit the link in the description. Make a donation so we can keep doing this.